Welcome to our new listing. Welcome to Island Dreams Realty. My name is Sacha Den Bosch, and today we're at the charming villa in Dawn Beach. So this villa sits in a corner lot on 6,000 square feet, and that creates actually a very nice garden for pets and kids to roam around in. The current owner of this home actually completely renovated the kitchen. There used to be a separate storage and a separate kitchen. Now everything is opened up to create a very open living space. Also, the vaulted ceilings come out better now, and there's a lot more natural light in the entire space down here. Also, from the driveway, you walk in straight to the kitchen, and downstairs there are 2 bedrooms with a bathroom in between. For anybody that's not really good walking stairs, you can sleep and bathe downstairs. Also, it creates a little bit more privacy for the master bedroom upstairs. So the owner installed solar and a backup generator to the home. But apart from that convenience, my favorite part about this house is that you have little nooks and areas to sit for every time of the day. So up here, there's a balcony by the master bedroom. And here you can have your cup of coffee in the morning at sunrise, and you can overlook the ocean and St. Maarten. So off of the kitchen, you have this really breezy little area in the green where you can sit, prep your day, read a book. It's very, very nice here and calm. Out here, they've created an outdoor kitchen for your tropical island barbecues. And here off of the living room, you have a very, very nice lounge area for your cocktails at the end of the day. So this villa is located in Dawn Beach. Dawn Beach is a gated community, and the fees here are really, really low. They're only about $650 a year. And even though it is a gated community and it's very well maintained with very, very big villas, this villa has its own automatic gate still, so kids and pets will stay inside, but it also creates your own private driveway in, and at the end, you could even build maybe a garage or a carport, maybe even a little studio. If you want some more information on this villa, please visit our website or make an appointment to schedule to visit this lovely villa in Dawn Beach. Hope to see you next time.